welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Arrests in extortion case involving HNYM members. Meghalaya Speaker urges timely completion of new assembly. Chief Minister welcomes Northeast United Football Training Centre in Shillong. And HNYM Youth Council intensifies drug raids in Nongstoin Market. And now the news in detail. According to the statement by S. Nongtanger, SP East Khasi Hills, 2 members of the HNYM National Youth Movement HNYM, Garnet Gideon Khongwir, 30 years, Kershan Borlingdo, 38 years, and 2 others were arrested in East Khasi Hills district for allegedly extorting money. In a media briefing on September 19th, HNYM National Youth Movement President Louis Dotdong confirmed their membership but denied any allegations of demanding rupees 10 lakh from the unidentified victim. He clarified that the members' involvement stemmed from a land deal worth rupees 80 lakh with another party, asserting that their actions were misrepresented. The investigation continues as authorities look into the details surrounding the case.
Khubor Garnet Gideon Khongwir, the members of the Security Committee, Jong Central Body, Nanta Kershan Nolatnu, the members of the Security Committee Central Body. Kajing Kano, Jong Pulit, Langbar Lap Khubor, Kalongba, Kedon Kiti, Hakaban Late Tawa Pisa, now we Ubreo Balaburi Kertang. Henry Kasing Tip Yang Biang, Botau Ubreo, Balaburi Kertang, Uday U M.I. Singh, Ubreo Captain Barem, Jong Shipai Assam Regiment. Ubasong basa apok madarting. Dia uneu ubreu layo thiet jakaru apok madarting. Ya kabang salibut den. Halor kanu kurukom ba uneu ubreu yo man thiet jaka. Namar ba umdei u jai benreu jangi. Dia kajing sakam kajing ki kalong hadian ba uneu M.I. Singh. Ula sim pan pisa na uwe ubreu ubala tip Narendra ka Brambam. Beri penyi jung u Nabam Narendra ka Prambam udah persa jung tau uba ai pisau M.I. Singh prapolak sangka bat uneu M.I. Singh ulabu ada kot duler jadi thiet jaka ka belasoi dorong ba snong penting ba un ai no ekani ka jaka seki lada ai prapolak tengkai ki de uneu kunyi jung Narendra ka Prambam lada siu kita prapolak bat ulabat ya kita ka duler pataya ka ba kesaki ka dan ko office besang kani ka kot ka duler ya thok jaka kadon po office ni kilapan jingirap na keseng te hendrai ngina ka yang keseng ong ba kani ka kam galong ba halon keti jing ai pisa jing pi kadon kamru ya ki evidence ne ki jing pen shisha ba kumnu fitit jaka pi siu kita ka pisa klem ki jing pen shisha hendrai wong namar ba udai umaitai M.I. Singh ru udai umaitai une udabet Singh ru udai umaitai nang ta une u nabram Narendra ka Brambam ru udai umaitai de para umaitai kitan ki jing shani apreng jengki Tenak tak kenal ki ong bangim syam lapoi perkhat bakat kakardan kapten ke jungu un syukur la ke jungi parari ke jungu ki mete te hadin kata hapal alet ban pan.
On September 19th, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Samla visited the new Legislative Assembly at Maudiangdiang, urging contractors and engineers to expedite their work. While expressing satisfaction with the progress made, he noted that the project is nearing completion but moving slowly. Samla emphasized the importance of incorporating vibrant natural colors into the beautification efforts of the Assembly's surroundings. He handed over responsibilities to the Forest and Horticulture departments to enhance the area with beautiful trees. Additionally, he called on the Art and Culture Department to adorn the Assembly's balconies and rooms with paintings and sacred art, enriching the space's cultural significance.
We had conducted a joint inspection of this ongoing Meghalaya Legislative Assembly building to review the progress of the work, and we find that the progress is good, though a little slow, but the progress is overall progress is very good. We are very satisfied. I have called various departments like the forest department and the horticultural department to see that the entire premises of this complex are made green as much as possible, because we require the green area. So we want to restore the green part as much as possible. So I have asked, we have asked the Department of Forest Department, Social Forestry wing, and the Horticulture Department also to jointly inspect and see what kind of greenery could be restored in this complex. Number two, I have also asked the Art and Culture Department, since almost more than 90% works are completed as far as the right wing and the left wing is concerned. So we have asked the Art and Culture Department to design the interiors along the hallways, the corridors, and also the reception areas on the ground floor and on the reception areas of the first floor. So they will, in the first floor, they will try to enact a story of Meghalaya in the reception area of the assembly.
On September 19th, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla expressed his enthusiasm for Northeast United Football Club's decision to establish a football training centre in Shillong. He highlighted the initiative as a significant step towards promoting the sport in the state and fostering collaboration among local clubs to elevate football standards in Meghalaya. During a meeting, Samla outlined the government and club's goals of nurturing young talent, emphasizing the importance of skill development from a grassroots level. He acknowledged Northeast United's recognition of the state's youth potential in football, reinforcing the club's commitment to promoting the sport. Celebrating Northeast United's recent victory in the Durand Cup, Samla called it a proud moment for the entire Northeast. The opening ceremony was supported by the Sports and Youth Welfare Department, the Meghalaya Football Association, and the Tourism Department, with notable figures from Northeast United, including CEO Mandar Tamhane in attendance.
It's got a different branding to it and a different kind of a feel to it. So yeah, it's a legacy, exactly. So winning the Durand Cup is really a great honor, I should say. And you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches, and so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it. And we're very happy that finally at least a team from Northeast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I once again, on behalf of our government and our state, would like to congratulate all of you for this great. Second, of course, we really look forward to the future, and football is I think you must have seen, may not be on the right side at that particular day, but you must have seen the kind of passion that our youth have and our people have for football. So therefore, we really look forward to in the future to a lot of positive outcomes with ISL, and with of course the Northeast United partnering with us in our state. And it's not just about the games, but it's about the larger impact that we will see, especially for people who love football, and especially for our youngsters who would like to see one day wearing that jersey, who would dream of wearing that jersey and playing with some of you, and and maybe representing the country also at the top level. So really, that's what we are looking at. It's a much bigger and larger picture for us, and we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football, and of course with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. We are also coming up with a lot of programs at the grassroots level for picking up talent at the young age and to promote them at the young age. So there's going to be a lot of things happening. And
the HNYM Youth Council HYC has ramped up efforts to combat drug trafficking in Nong Stoin Market, focusing on ensuring the safety of both market residents and visitors. On the evening of September 18th, HYC Organizing Secretary Wilson Marthong reported ongoing raids targeting drug activity, a practice the council has maintained regularly. Marthong stated that when drug users are identified, the council engages with them and their families, aiming to facilitate discussions that encourage rehabilitation. The HYC offers opportunities for youth struggling with addiction to access health centers for support. In addition, the council calls for community cooperation to promote peace and reduce drug-related issues. Notably, they have observed a decline in the number of drug users in nearby villages, a positive sign attributed to the persistent efforts. The HYC remains committed to its mission of fostering a safer environment in Nong Stoin.
yang ti kendiri now. Mar ida dera gi ai bet aksam bet 100% menta ba ikwa be yong ba direct be tu bu idik menta ong ikwa be direct be kalana ne long ne chi thu be ba tang tang i thu be ikwa I hab ithot ne yo wa ithot ne yo wa to da yo tu I la ba chim tu mo ngare blast ni ring la yo ren blast ni kalari makana wa tang tang da kwa ma hab ithot ma sabkan apta chim kira jong sa bela jong ma so le plan ne chi thu be ba bela malari kan re hala sa kwa ma tu sim ko ithot da itu be ithot be perdi tala
Nah, Obama mendak ada bisa diam.
kabuan buan berngam nan bung hidup ni di berngam lapta di lapta ane ta de ngade ngocong ana kami kata di an rumah tu undai ong bon di dawai ne rekni tai ho kita rayum sani ya mo kita chongkai tu ya di ti ya thok ya tapiat mal de ti lana tadrok kata bon uyo ware bon uyo
jing yebe ke jong pi Khubor te nak liang ka jongi mentang leyo ban bat katukan ningut ki na Samla ki ba bang Shillong ban yumujah ka jing didrop ting leyo ban kem ban ajing senang yaki dak ten te makiru ki la ong hangi ba ikwa ba kin kelano te kila.
A right to information RTI requested by Roy Kupar Sindram, president of HYC Shillong, has revealed that the Meghalaya Housing Department purchased roofing sheets for Rs 188.88 crore from MS Haryana Iron Works Private Limited. The procurement, spanning from August 11, 2022 to January 6, 2024, was conducted without a tender process, raising concerns about transparency. The sheets, measuring 8 feet long, 800 mm wide and 0.45 mm thick, were approved by the Departmental Tender Committee. However, government regulations mandate that high-value purchases must be advertised to allow bids from multiple suppliers, a requirement allegedly overlooked in this case. The revelation has sparked calls for accountability and scrutiny of procurement practices in the state.
Director jong housing jong Meghalaya haka khatwi trik u February aja arpoa kala khot tender na kabenta ban supply kini kitin ki ong kita ki aluminium tin but kat kum kani ka notice jong khatwi trik u February aja arpoa ka door jong ka tender lani ka cost jong ka tender ka de arpo crore kata la khot haka khatwi trik February aja arpoa ka departmental committee jong ka housing department haka khan riu tri March arja arpoa hadin bakal apet yaki kot kisla jong ki company lane jong kita ki supplier ki ba shimbenta kani ka tender ya kabla khot ka office jong director jong housing department kalajit ya kawi ka company kata ka MS Haryana Iron Works Private Limited hakaba la shem baka na ki southly ki company ki ba ya shimbenta kani ka contract hakani ka jingya let bidding nam ta kani ka banyo ini kamban supply kini kitin po ka housing department kilap baka dor ya kabala ay da kanika company ke MS Haryana Iron Works Private Limited kanika dor ka baritam kata kamut ba kila propose lani ki ay hakador ka bolong khanyo hajar khnai spa prop khnai tingka shi bundle lani shi ban kitin ti halor kata ka departmental tender committee jong housing department kala jit ya kanika MS Haryana ban ay ka contract ka bosong dor arpo crore shi hajar news pa artingka kabau director jong housing ka khapratrik March jong snem arja arpo arula ayaka work order lani ka supply order kata kari beningkong haka arpsantrik jong March arja arpo kaju ka departmental tender committee jong housing department hadin bakayo ya ka city na director jong ka housing Meghalaya ban pentip ya kani ka committee ba ka housing department kalayo pisa biang syuk na kasorka kumba lai pu crore kong ba don kam ban penkiu syuk ya ka supply order kaumut ba hakapor ba ki khot ningkong ya ka tender ki khot na kabenta ban supply ya ki khatwe hajar shispa khapra bundle ki.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.